hello. I'm just kidding. It's kind of weird. We're gonna have a burping contest.
Yeah, we're gonna have a burping contest, but first we're gonna see who drinks their soda faster.
Huh?
Yeah, we're gonna.
It's gonna be an answer. No, what happened after? Bye.
Bye. Okay.
Bomb diggity.
Okay, so ready? Go.
Most of it spilled on me. I don't know if you can see it, but
Ooh, I got the little shiver. I got a burp already.
I could pee.
I know. I gotta pee now. I'm done. I'm done.
I think I'm winning. I just burped into my soda.
Stop making me laugh.
I'm winning. I'm winning. I'll be so good at this.
That was me. That was me.
That was a burp. Faux shizzle. Spread the faux shizzle pride.
And the bomb diggity bird.
Mm-mm.
I won the contest. I won.
I'm probably winning the burping contest.
Can I have some of that?
Add more bubbles to have more. That makes me burp more. I'm winning.
That's baby burp. Oh, I have vomit coming up in my throat.
Right in my face. Oh, baby one. I'm good. I'm diggity.
I gotta pee.
And go use the restroom. So far.
Do you have a cup? Number. I bet it's really gross for the viewers.
I know, right? Go ahead, thumbs down. I know we're nasty. But please subscribe. I
We
thought that.
love you.
She does, I don't. No, I'm just kidding, I love you more.
I love you as much.
No.
I love you as much as I love Nicki Minaj.
She hates me from that. No, I'm just kidding.
I love Nicki Minaj. She's my baby.
I heart you, someone that sucks W. He's okay. Oh, he's gonna watch this, isn't he?
Yes.
Oh shit.
You're so stupid. Okay, no. Someone with the D, with the I, with the W.
Not that much, I think Wesley. Oh shit. I'm sorry, Wesley. I'll delete it if you want.
No.
I want to embarrass him because we posted it on our walls.
So?
Oh my god. I disgust him. Sorry. Shut up, ho. No, I'm just kidding. That was funny. Everyone pointed to me. I'm not done.
I wanna see what the voters say. Who's hotter, me or you?
Yeah, that's the video to be.
Okay.
But I'm not done with my soda, but you know.
I think I won that.
I won the burping contest.
No, we're gonna decide on the voters who won.